New Gemini Notebook update is crazy. Google just gave your research tool a full brain transplant, and most people watching this haven't even noticed yet. I'm going to walk you through exactly what changed, why it matters, and how you can use it starting today. Stick around because near the end, I'll show you one workflow that turns a single notebook into a full research system for your business. Let's get into it. Google renamed NotebookLM to Gemini Notebook on July 16th, 2026. Now, a name change alone is boring. Nobody cares about a new logo, but this rename came bundled with real new power, and that's the part everyone's talking about right now. This tool has been quietly huge for a while. It started life at Google I/O in 2023 as an experiment called Project Tailwind, and it's grown into a product used by over 30 million people and more than 600,000 organizations. That's not a small tool. That's a hidden giant sitting inside Google's AI lineup, and it just got its biggest upgrade since it launched. Let's start with the biggest change. Every notebook now comes with its own secure cloud computer built in. That means Gemini Notebook can write and run code by itself right inside your notebook to dig deeper into whatever documents you upload. Think of it like this. Before, your notebook could read your documents and talk to you about them. Now it can actually do math on them, build charts from them, and pull numbers out of them, all without you touching a spreadsheet. Say you dump a pile of sales reports, survey answers, or customer feedback into a notebook. The old version could summarize that in plain words. This new version can calculate the numbers, build you a real chart, and hand you a clean table you can act on. That's a completely different level of tool. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, that's our community for people learning AI automation. Members could drop in a batch of feedback forms from a recent coaching call and ask Gemini Notebook to calculate which topics got mentioned the most and build a simple chart ranking them. If you want to actually put tools like this to work in your business instead of just watching updates roll by, that's exactly what we do inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We've already built out step-by-step tutorials on how to set up a notebook system for research, content, and customer feedback. And we'll keep updating that as Google rolls the cloud computer feature out to more accounts. You'll get coaching calls every single week with people already using tools like this to save time in their own business, a prompt library built for exactly this kind of workflow, and a member map so you can connect with other people near you doing the same thing. Links in the comments and the description below. That used to take a spreadsheet and an afternoon. Now it's one prompt. This cloud computer feature is rolling out first to Google AI Ultra subscribers with access for pro users following over the next few weeks. So if you don't see it yet, don't panic, it's coming. Here's something people are sleeping on. Just a few days after the rename, Google also gave notebooks a real face. You can now add a custom cover, a title, and a short summary to any notebook. Picture it like the cover slide of a presentation. Before, everything looked like a plain grey file with a boring name. Now you can open a notebook and instantly know what it is and why it matters just by looking at it. That sounds small, but it's not. If you're running more than one project, this is the difference between a messy pile of files and something that actually looks like a system. And a system is what turns AI from a fun toy into something your business can actually run on. Let's say you're running the AI Profit Boardroom's weekly coaching call notes. You could build one notebook, give it a clean cover that says exactly what it's for, and drop in every call transcript from the month. Anyone on the team opens it and knows instantly what's inside, no digging required. Or say you're organizing competitor research for a client. One notebook, clearly labeled, with a summary right up top, beats 5 vague files named Notes and Notes 2 every single time. Now, here's your first real chance to see this in action. If you want to save time and actually automate your business with tools like Gemini Notebook, this is exactly what we teach inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We show members step by step how to set up a notebook system for their business, how to use the new cloud computer feature to analyze their own numbers, and how to turn research into content and offers without wasting hours doing it by hand. If that sounds useful, the link is in the comments and the description below. Let's keep going because there's more here that matters. Notebooks are now showing up inside the main Gemini app itself, not just the standalone site, though right now that's limited to personal Google accounts. And Google has said Search's AI mode is getting notebook features too, though there's no firm date on that one yet. So this tool isn't staying in its own little corner anymore. It's spreading across everything Google makes. That matters because it means the research you build once could start showing up in more places automatically. You do the work one time inside one notebook, and it follows you across the tools you already use every day. Say a member of the AI Profit Boardroom builds a notebook full of research on what's working right now in AI automation. As Google connects notebooks more deeply across Gemini and Search, that same research could become useful in more places without them lifting a finger twice. Now let's clear up some confusion because a lot of people are asking this. Nothing you built got deleted. Every notebook, every source, every audio summary you already made is still there, exactly where you left it under the new name. Old links still work. Old bookmarks still work. Google set up automatic redirects, so nothing breaks on your end. This is a name change with new features stapled on, not a fresh start. And this isn't Google's first rename either. Bard became Gemini a while back, and now NotebookLM is following that same pattern, getting folded into one unified Gemini brand. Google wants one connected AI system, not a pile of separate tools with different names and different rules. And Gemini Notebook joining that family means it's getting treated as a serious long-term product, not a side experiment anymore. Here's the part I find the most interesting. A notebook tool that only reads your files is useful. A notebook tool that can calculate, chart, and export your files is a completely different category. That's the real story hiding behind the name change. Google didn't just rename a product, it quietly turned a research assistant into something closer to a small analyst that lives inside your documents. Let's go through a couple more ways you could put this to work today. First, competitor research. Drop a handful of competitor pages or posts into a notebook and ask it to calculate which topics show up most often across all of them, and you get a ranked list back in seconds, no manual counting. Second, customer feedback. If you're collecting survey answers or reviews, upload them and ask the notebook to calculate the most common complaint and chart it out. That turns a wall of text into one clear picture. Here's a version built specifically around the AI Profit Boardroom. Every week, we run coaching calls where members ask real questions about growing their business with AI. Someone could upload a month of those transcripts into one notebook, use the code feature to calculate which questions repeat the most, then export that into a clean summary. That single notebook turns a month of coaching calls into a ready-made list of exactly what people need help with next. I get skepticism too. Every few weeks, it feels like another AI tool announces a huge update, and it's easy to tune it out and assume it's more of the same. But this one's different because it changes what the tool is capable of, not just how it looks. A research tool that can only summarize is a nice convenience. A research tool that can calculate and act on your data is something you can actually build a workflow around. Before we wrap up, let's do a fast recap. NotebookLM is now called Gemini Notebook. Every notebook gets a secure cloud computer that can calculate, chart, and analyze your data, rolling out to Ultra users first, then Pro. Notebooks can now get a custom cover, title, and summary so your projects look organized. And notebooks are starting to show up inside the wider Gemini and Search ecosystem, with more of that on the way. If you want to actually put tools like this to work in your business instead of just watching updates roll by, that's exactly what we do inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We've already built out step-by-step tutorials on how to set up a notebook system for research, content, and customer feedback. And we'll keep updating that as Google rolls the cloud computer feature out to more accounts. You'll get coaching calls every single week with people already using tools like this to save time in their own business, a prompt library built for exactly this kind of workflow, and a member map so you can connect with other people near you doing the same thing. Links in the comments and the description below. And if you want the full process, the templates, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, come join the AI Success Lab too. That one's free. You'll get all the notes from this video, plus access to a community of about 75,000 people who are actively using AI to save time and grow their businesses. Links for that are in the comments and description as well. Last thing, tools like this move fast, and it's easy to feel like you're always one update behind. You're not behind, you just watch the whole update in one video. The businesses that win with AI aren't the ones chasing every single release. They're the ones who pick one useful update, actually use it, and move on to the next one calmly. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try the new cloud computer feature in Gemini Notebook, and I'll see you in the next video.